Hey guys, I'm Sasha. We're backstage with actress Mrinal Thakur, who just walked for Pankaj Nidhi, looking beautiful. Like you said, confident. I have a quick question for you. How does the designer's vision align with your personal style?
I think I just surrendered myself to Pankaj and Nidhi, and this is what they got me. And they're like, Mrinal, I think you'll absolutely nail the look. So I was like, okay, let's go ahead with this one. And I think the combination when it comes to gold and black can never
Right.
ever go wrong. So
I think
here
it
we
can,
are.
yeah, it's always the right fit and the color. You look really confident, love the fit, loved your style, and been following you on red carpets and know that the kind of style that you wear, could see this there too.
you.
Before I go, what is one thing you would hope to accomplish in the fashion industry that you haven't? Like at least in terms of like a showstopper, or you probably have friends who are from the fashion industry.
I just want to take one step at a time and explore. I just need friends to motivate me, to push me, to bring out the best version of me. And when it comes to fashion,
Right.
I want to try everything. Like I want to just go. This is actually on my mind, and I'm manifesting this. That next year, there's so much when I come meet. So many designers
Right.
here, models, designs, and photographers and videographers. I'm learning constantly.
Right.
But I want to travel across the world. I want to see what's in their culture and just explore.
Right. And before I go off the camera, but this was so much fun. I saw you with Priyanka Chopra the other day.
yes.
You know, I was there and I saw you the way that whole emotions were coming out. Like really
I think this was the best moment in my entire life.
loved it. It was too cute. Thank you very much, Manal, for talking to us.
Thank you.
Thank you.